This tutorial would be focused on how I made this Ankara top using Asooke alongside. You can wear this top as a top. You can also wear it as a short dress. You can style it however you want. It is pretty simple, easy to make. All you need is your desired Ankara fabric and also a matching Asooke that would go well with the Ankara that you have chosen. My name is Ayomide, and on my YouTube channel, you'd find various sewing tutorials and also pattern drafting tutorials. I teach people how to cut and how to sew on this YouTube channel. So do where to check other videos. Now let us jump right into today's tutorial. For this outfit, I made use of this white and black Ankara fabric. The moment I saw this fabric, I knew exactly the style I was going to sew with it. And that is so unlike me because I don't readily decide on what I want to sew for myself. So this is what I used. Also, I was able to get an ashoke, a pattern ashoke that would go well with the pattern that my Ankara has. And I have half bundle here. Half bundle has four ipele or four pieces. The full bundle has 8 pieces, but half bundle was more than enough for what I wanted to do. So now let's go on to the cutting process. I had to cut out some fabric to enable easy maneuvering, and I have folded my fabric into two along the length. The length I have here is 25 inches. Remember, I would be joining my ashoke to it, which is about 6 inches in length. I folded it again, and this dimension I have here is about 14 inches. Now, you may wonder why I folded my fabric in this manner. This is because I am cutting both the front and the back together, and also because I don't want any joining along the shoulder slants. So guys, let's move on. The first measurement I would take is the neck width. That's the dimension of the wideness of the neck. And for this, I set it for about 2.75 inches. You can go for 3 inches, but don't make it too wide. Next up, I marked half an inch for the neck depth for the back and drew in a round neckline. As for the front, I came down by about 7 inches. 7.5 inches actually, and then I connected it to the neck point into a V neckline. Now watch how I'm going to cut. I would first of all cut out the back neckline. Thereafter, I would make a notch around my center front. So I've opened up the fabric. That is the center front. I would make a notch and open it up in such a way that I would have the back on one side and have the front on the other side. Can you see? I would arrange my fabric properly. So I have the back on one side and the front on the part that has the neckline drawn. And then I will cut out the V neckline for the front. After that, I would also split open the center front. When I'm done cutting, this is what it looks like. Can you see? The back and the front cut together with no joining along the shoulder. So guys, I've gone on to join along the center front all the way around the back neckline. And let me just show you what I did. For my ashoke, I picked one piece and folded it into two. My dimension was about 2.5 to 3 inches. I have 2.5 inches here. and I just joined it from one end of the top all through the neckline of the back through to the other end. It was just very easy and simple to do. So that's what I did. Moving on, I would proceed and join my ashoke along the hem. I repeat this for the front and also for the back. I have joined, and here is what my fabric is looking like so far. It's coming out well. What is left is to join along the sleeve. So from one end, I'll take it all through from the front to the back. This would help extend the wideness of the top. So I did this for both the left hand side and the right hand side of the top. This is what my fabric looks like after joining. It is now time to join both the front and the back together, just as if you want to sew down your butterfly gown. What I need to do is to measure my sleeve opening, and for this I'm using 12 inches, and I'm using my ashoke as a guide. So from that 12 inches, I would sew all the way down to where I joined my ashoke to the hem. So that's where my Ankara stops. You can also sew all the way down to the hem, but I just wanted to leave some sort of slits at the hem of the top. So you want to make sure that your sleeve opening is wide, right? After joining, this is what it looks like. I love how the top or the blouse came out to be. It's so good. When you wear this, it gives you that rich anti vibes, you know. And I think mixing it, the Ankara with Ashoke elevated the style sort of. It really came out so nice. And I love the fact that you could make this in an hour. It doesn't take time at all. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.